Welcome to my channel again. The last time we do the delete and I'm so sorry on the delete, the voice was not working, so sorry. I'm not let's do the delete now. The update. Here we go to our task controller. When we update, we know it's on there. As we are getting data from there, it will be a public method. Update a task. Then we have to go and check our smart contract so that we understand what we are updating. If we go here on our smart contract, the update task, we are updating the status. We are not updating like the text. We are updating the status. It's like toggling whether it's completed or not here only, so that we are on the same page. We need the index and the status. Okay, let's go back. If we go check, even if we go check our Ethers provider here on the update, we need only the index and the status. So the status is it's Boolean. So here we need index and the status. Now we'll need I think we'll need a payload. The payload will be the object, so that here if you go to the UI, if you go check here, because what we are updating is on this toggle. If we go on our UI on the task form, you'll check this one. When we update, it's on change. When we change the checkbox, we're passing on the toggle, we're passing the index and the completed. This one called index and completed, so that here on the UI, on our UI here on the update, the detail, let's call log the detail so that you will see. Then if you go here and click here, you see we're getting the index and the completed. So here we can destructure the detail to be the index and completed. Then it's index and completed, just exactly as this one, the index and the completed. Then let's go to our task controller. Then we can do the index and completed. We'll use completed. Then let's call this task controller dot update task with index and completed. Then after that, we go to our task controller, we go to our method. We have to await, like we know every method from a blockchain we have to wait. Then we call this ethers provider dot task contract dot update. On the update, we need the index and the status, which is completed. Then because this one is also like create, will receive a task because we are mutating the state of the blockchain. Then we'll put transaction. I'll show you already know what is the transaction. Then we'll have to log our transaction, then wait our transaction, then it will be a response. Then we log the response also. Then we call the get all. We also get the get all so that it will change the status. But remember, if you are mutating the state because you can find you don't have enough gas, the blockchain will, so you put it in the try catch so that if the blockchain throw any error, you will catch those error. Then for now, let's log the error. Then let's go and test. Then we have to update this at first task. Then we go click, then it will prompt us, then it prompt here. Then if I confirm, if we check, it will receive the hash for confirmation that it received. Then we receive another hash to say like we approve your transaction. If we reload this our UI, you'll see now when it gets our data from the blockchain is already marked as checked. So that now we done with our functionality on the task controller. Now we can add, delete, get name, and update. Then another thing, if you want, the other thing it's on the UI is to add like the 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 pop-ups, and we have to do the confirm button to on this helper controller. On the helper controller, we'll do the toast and the notification. On the notification will be like here when you are adding the task. Here we'll call the notification on the UI to show the user that we are processing the transaction and whatsoever. But if you don't like that one, thank you. We'll meet on the next tutorial. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.